Hello guys, welcome back today. My last Scratch tutorial didn't really have a thumbnail or anything. It was really just like how to make a scrolling platformer in 20 minutes. You can go ahead and click on the eye right up here to go ahead and check it out. If you don't like my Scratch videos, you can just check out my gaming videos. I'm gonna have a gaming video next week, by the way. So recently, before I get started, I just want to say I moved I moved accounts. So my old account was what was it? My old account was my Dummy Rapper 68. No, I really hit about like 74 followers, but it's all gone now, and I moved accounts, and I'm trying to tell everyone because no one is listening. I even have to create a project to tell everyone that I'm moving accounts. But so um so yeah, I'm making a game called Legends, so stay tuned for that. Though that's just something I'm gonna use in it. So so let after my intro. Okay, guys, I am back after my intro. Special keys in Scratch. So maybe you have the key, and then you have key space, but these are all just these regular keys that you use. Keys and numbers. There isn't actually like what is it? There isn't actually like a question mark or enter, So there are two methods to do that. This first, you can use hack blocks, or the safe way, do it with the join block right here. So, really, it's super simple. Just put it in there, and then we don't want apple. We want to get rid of banana because that's a problem there. So then here we have apple. You can just do question mark whatever symbol or whatever symbol you can think of, you know, just any symbol you'd ever want. I'll just do enter for basic. So shift, control, and alt don't work. And tab doesn't work either. So don't think about using those. So with this, then all you have to do is put when green flag clicked, the like what you like, or when I receive, and then forever, if then else, it doesn't matter. And then your thing here, key enter, and then we'll do say enter press or something like that for maybe 1 second. So we actually need a sprite, so let's just do something simple. Actually, I'm more of a pixel person now, so yeah, I don't do vector anymore, unfortunately, so I'll just go ahead and do a... I don't have any time, so I'm just gonna do a basic smile. So, if we press enter, this should work. Yeah, enter press, it says enter pressed. So, there's another way to do this, and just 1 second, I'll show you it. Okay, I'm back here. Let's move out all of these from our backpack. Here are all our blocks. So, wait a minute, where are the rest? Okay, the rest. So, first, let's start with tilde. Let's um, say, uh, say, where is it? Tilde pressed. Okay, for 1 second, because we don't want it to be too long. And enter, we'll just do enter pressed. This is going to be proof that these hacked blocks actually work. I don't recommend you use the hacked blocks because after all, they're hacks and someone may report your project. But if you're too lazy, fine, you can use it, but you really shouldn't for safety. And and then put some if thens inside here, and then these things. Let's say other tilde pressed for 1 second, and then let's duplicate that, and then other enter pressed for 1 second. So let's see. So first enter pressed, wait a minute, oops, we can't have these in here for the moment. We can't have them because we have these, I forgot. So let's see, let's do enter, and then we have tilde. Wait, what? Okay, tilde doesn't work for some reason, so that's a problem. So now, but we know this one works, so let's try this one. If the tilde doesn't work, something's seriously wrong because I just tried them before I put them in my project. So we have other enter pressed and tilde yet doesn't work again. Oh wait. Oh, tilde does work. It's because I'm just pressing the other thing. I'm not holding down shift. I have to actually press tilde by holding down shift and then pressing tilde. So whoops, tilde does work. Sorry about that. So yeah, tilde does work. So yes, but I don't recommend you use this method. I'd recommend you use the other method where you just do just 1 second. Where you just do the join, enter, or whatever symbol you want, you know. I'll just do enter again, and then definitely remove banana, or else this is not gonna work. So yes, I recommend you use this method, because this is the safest method, because you won't get reported for using hack blocks. So I hope you like this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and click that bell, and I will see you in the next one.